Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and connectivity controls. Put the phone in airplane mode, then selectively re-enable cellular for calls or texts if needed. This stops background internet use. Make sure battery is above 50% and enable battery saver to extend runtime. Once done, download any offline maps, PDF, music, or apps you'll need. Store them in internal storage or an SD card. This ensures you can proceed without relying on mobile or Wi-Fi services. Next, configure tools that function entirely offline. Install and set up offline maps, a local note app, music and podcast players, and an e-reader. Sync content beforehand. Transfer remaining files via USB cable, Bluetooth, or insert an SD card, then confirm files open correctly. Make sure backups are stored locally and set up device PIN, fingerprint, or passcodes for authentication rather than Cloud 2FA. Once set, test each app briefly to confirm full offline. To finish, lock down background services. Disable auto updates and background sync so nothing tries to reconnect. Test core functions, make a call or send an SMS if cellular is active, play media, open offline maps, and create a note. If something fails, first reboot the phone, then check available storage and permissions. If a file won't open, retransfer it from the source or redownload while online. Keep a small checklist on paper in case the phone becomes unusable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.